Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to completely erase all data from your iPhone and reset like a brand new. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down and tap on General. Now scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, choose Erase All Content and Settings, and your iPhone will show you the data will be erased, including the apps, photos, accounts, and personal settings. If you want to keep your data, make sure you've done an iCloud backups or computer backup for proceeding. Then here tap Continue and then enter your passcode. Finally, confirm by tapping Erase iPhone. Your iPhone will restart and begin wiping all data. Once done, it will show the setup screen just like a brand new device. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.